Morning everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to solve this question which is from H.C. Verma. The question says a carom board has the queen at the center. Now let us make the diagram for it first. The carom board has the queen at the center. The queen is hit by the striker and moves to the front edge and rebounds and goes into the hole behind it. So the queen is first striked here and it is then rebound and goes into the hole behind the striker. So we know that this length is of 4 meters, so the half length would be of 2 meters. Let us draw a perpendicular here, AC. AC is of 2 meters again, and this CA is also 2 feet because it is half. So let CB be x, then BE would automatically be 2 minus x. So we are going to solve this question with a different concept. We are going to apply similarity. So if we see triangle ABC and is similar to triangle DBE, because see, if this is the angle of incidence, then this is the angle of reflection, and we know angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So CAB is equals to angle I because they are alternate angles, and similarly EDB is equal to angle R because again they are alternate angles, and I and R are equal in magnitudes, and see this angle 90 degree and this angle is also 90 degree. So by angle criteria they both are similar. So we know that AB upon DB is equals to BC upon BE, which is again equal to AC upon DE. Now we are going to use these two and we will get BC. Now where is BC? BC is our x and BE is 2 minus x is equals to AC. AC is 2 feet and upon DE is 4. So here we get 1 by 2. Now if we solve this further, we will get 2x plus x is equals to 2. This will give us x is equals to 2 by 3. Now we got our x, which is 2 upon 3. We know AC is 2. So in triangle ABC we apply Pythagoras theorem and we will get AB. So we know AB square is equals to AC square plus BC square. So AB would be equal to under root AC. How much is AC? AC is 2. So 2 square would be 4 and then plus BC square. BC is x and we know the value of x is 2 upon 3. So its square would be 4 upon 9. Now if we solve this, we will get, let's take 4 common, we will get 1 plus 1 upon 9, that would be 10 upon 9, and this would be equal to 2 by 3 root 10 feet, and that's actually the answer we have got. Now let's solve the second part, which says from front to the hole. This length would be BD. Now again applying Pythagoras theorem in a triangle BDE, we get BD square is equals to BE square plus DE square. We will get BD, which is the displacement of particle, displacement of queen. BE, how much is B? 2 minus x. So our x was 2 by 3. So 2 minus 2 by 3 whole square plus how much is D? 4. 4 square. Now we will get BD as 1. This would become 16 and 16, and this 2 minus 2 by 3 would be 6 minus 2, 4, 4 by 3. So this would be 16 upon 9. Now again, now if we solve this, we take 16 common here again, then it would be 16 upon 9 into 10. That would be equal to 4 by 3 root 10 feet, and that's the answer for the second part. Now let's solve the third part. Now for third part, we have to find the displacement of this queen from A to D. So we have to find basically AD. Now if we look at this triangle carefully, this triangle, and apply Pythagoras theorem here, so we will get AD square is equals to, let this point be x, AX square plus DX square. Now from the figure we know that this whole length is 2, and again this is 4, so the half, this dx is also equals to 2. So AD is equals to under root 2 square plus 2 square. So we got our answer. AD is equals to 2 root 2 feet. Thank you.